Hi, this is Bhairavi Shah. I'm a tarot card reader. In fact, you can call me, I'm a card reader. I am a numerologist. I do provide very limited amount of counseling. Limited amount of candidates can receive counseling or coaching from me. I do conduct seminars and workshops on various topics which can help people to upgrade themselves, and other things or any other extra information that you might want in detail, it's in the descriptions and the surrounding information, or you can email me shortly. Hi, so we are back again. I had to pause that video. Now we have come to the card number 16, which is stars. There are various schools of thoughts in this regards, and there are certain things that I'm going to share here. However, I would like to inform you that there might be some things that might be missing for the stars, because that I'm informing you, because I do feel that there are certain indications which I have felt about stars is it multiplies, like wherever it is, it multiplies. So that is one thing. I don't think so right now I'm able to explain it clearly. However, that is why I already mentioned. Now, stars can indicate guidance. Stars does indicate hopes. Even in tarot, it can indicate hopes. But here, right now, in this, it can also indicate. That is in my opinion, and as far as I have understood, a reader, a card reader, a medium, an astrologer, something which is metaphysical, which is also scientific. So it can mean both. Star does indicate success. However, as usual, that I keep on saying, the surrounding cards are very important to get the judgment of the success. Sometimes it may mean that it's destiny and it's stars and it's a hope that you want to be succeeding in something, but the surrounding cards may be telling you whether it's a false hope or real hope, or something that you really can rely on hope, or it's a maybe hope. So those things are very important. In some ways, I do believe stars are also indication of networking, marketing, because stars are multiple, it can literally mean night, a starry night. So these are the basic things about star. These are basic information. I would appreciate if you write it down, as I had mentioned to you before, and whenever you work with your double card reading and practicing with that, keep those meanings in check. Try to use those meanings so you would understand with experience what does it mean. But that doesn't mean the meanings are limited to the information that I'm giving you. These are basic meanings. So right now we completed stars. We'll meet you in the next card. See you soon.